Hi there, welcome back. Alright, the next tip I want to cover is how to enter data quickly using a hack in Excel called Pick from the drop down list. So let's get started. Entering names in Excel is very common but very time consuming, mostly repeating names. One technique called Pick and Drop Down List is a list that can help you apply and enter data quickly and efficiently. Let's suppose that we have to fill this column with names. Start typing in names from cell A2. Some of these names are repeating, so there is a smarter way that we can get this done faster. Right click on the next cell and choose Pick from drop down list. We see the previous names there. Click on the ones you want and move on. There is also a keyboard shortcut for this technique. Press Alt plus down arrow and display the names again. Keep in mind that this only works for text and only works in adjacent cells. This feature increases the speed of entry, so I recommend using it as often as possible. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.